The GMC Yukon's infotainment system can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. Resetting the system is a common fix. There are three main types of resets: soft reboot, hard reset, and factory reset. A soft reboot is like restarting your phone. It's a quick restart to clear minor glitches without losing data. A hard reset involves a deeper system clear, often by disconnecting power. A factory reset wipes all user data, restoring the system to its original state. The type of reset you choose will depend on the severity of the issue. For a soft reboot, the easiest method is to press and hold the power button or volume knob for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black and the system restarts. For a hard reset on older models from 2015 to 2019, you might need to disconnect the negative battery terminal for a few minutes before reconnecting. Newer models can do a hard reset via the settings menu. A factory reset is also done through the settings menu. Look for System, then Factory Reset. Remember that this will erase all personal data. Back up your data if possible using the GMC Connected Services app before performing a factory reset. If these steps fail, consult your owner's manual or visit a GMC dealer.